about IELTS indicator. So it was actually a platform, an online platform, free of cost for all the students available, where they used to offer, and they were improvising technically to make it error free, to make it as say real as it can become in online platform. Then they were very close to it, but they were not planning to replace it with an actual IELTS one. But thanks to this pandemic and the situation, medical situation that has created, they have now converted this derived mode only, which is an only option available right now, because it's not practically possible for students to travel to the places of the examination. Neither it is feasible for the examiners to go to these venues for the exams around the world. And that's why they have made this IELTS indicator converted into an actual test. It is available online, computer delivered mode, and all paper-based exam, as we discussed, are cancelled. Then what you need to understand is that this test is available only for academics, right? The academic category. In general category, it's not available, right? So that's what is an update. You should check the list of organizations that are accepting this score. After appearing this test, it will generate the score as it used to be generated in actual IELTS, 0 to 9, where the bands. So you will receive the similar IELTS and reading, writing, listening, and speaking categories. You will be given the score, and that score would be there. But you have to go to website of a British Council, where the academic this indicator is given, under which the list of organizations, A to Z list of organizations, country-wise and university-wise, say they are given. So check, the first thing is which is the university and country that you are targeting, and that country and that university, is it available in that list? If it is there, then only this exam would be say meaningful for you. Or else you have to ask that university that which is the kind of exam that they are going to conduct and they are going to consider valid, right? So that's there. Right now, this is conducted every week. Let's say for next week, dates are available. And the good thing about this online thing is that result would be made available within 7 days, 7 working days, right? For that, say fees in Indian rupees is 14,000. And if there are international students, it is 159 US say dollar. So now it is, as of now, like today I checked it, this was the tag, this was the price. So before you update and before you apply for the test, you need to check whether it is the same options available or not. The dates, like next week and next to next week in June, there are 2 dates available on 2 Wednesdays, right? So that's available right now at the moment. So before you apply, check the fees and check the available days. But the good thing is it is conducted every week, and it is the result, which is surprising, that within 7 days you will get it. A few more specifications about the indicators, that it is not a substitution or not anything less than the actual one. It is actually better than the IELTS actual paper-based test, because you can give it from home at your comfort. You can choose, say, the dates. Time you cannot choose, because that's the fixed time for whosoever will register on that day. You will have to follow time. I think it was 12:30 for the next Wednesday in June. But days you can still choose. So that's an added advantage. Now, as all of you know, in IELTS, they check your 4 skills of language, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So far as this online test is concerned, this listening, reading, and writing, these 3 you will have to give at one go, in one sitting, right? All 3. Whereas separate speaking, because it will be one-to-one online, but one-to-one, and that's why you can book your speaking test either a few days before your test, or maybe a few days after your test, whichever is convenient to you and whichever are the dates available. So you can say choose either of these 2 options. Now book your test online, choose the date from the available options. Now this is for the IELTS examination.